Okay, let's get into it. Yes, y'all, these were delicious, and I can't wait to show y'all how easy they are. And this vegan salad, bomb. Plus the garlic knots. Remedies food. On this channel, we explore everything food and intuitive eating. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my social medias. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is put your noodles in boiling water with oil so they don't stick. And I think it said cook them 10 minutes. I cooked them about 8. And then I make some sauce, and I use the zesty, this one, thick and zesty spaghetti. Yeah. And I follow the directions. Plus, I add a little bit of whatever sauce I have on hand. And this is how we're cooking up our sauce. And then I add a little Italian as well. And I was draining the noodles and rinsing them with cold water so they, stop cooking. And then now you're gonna see me cutting up some jalapeno for a little kick. So I used onion, jalapeno, and green bell pepper. You can choose whatever veggies you want, but this is what I chose, along with some spinach. Now we're gonna get into sauteing this. Now for the meat or the ground beef, ground turkey type situation, we're using the Beyond Meat burger patties. And we just, chopping it up like some ground beef. And we're gonna brown that with the veggies. Now let's get into the salad. We're using romaine lettuce. We just chop them up in little shreds. It's super simple, y'all. I love Caesar salad. I use all 3 heads of the romaine, and I like to put it in a big bowl. And this is my favorite dairy-free Parmesan. Just sprinkle it in there, and some, pick your favorite vegan Caesar dressing, and then just combine it. And tip, don't add your croutons if you're not about to eat them. Add those last because they'll get soggy. So if you're about to eat them, go ahead and throw them in there. But if you're about to put them in the fridge, don't add them. Like I told y'all earlier, I add a little bit of my own spaghetti sauce that I have. I always usually get tomato and basil and some extra Italian just to up the sauce. But I love that zesty spaghetti pack. Now this is the last bit of veggies I add. I just decided to throw some spinach in there with some vegan mozzarella. And add a little bit of that spaghetti sauce. I just did this to kind of make a little mixture so I can stuff it into the shells. If you want the spinach more, if you want it to be smaller, go ahead and, throw that spinach in there with the meat substitute, because then it'll be more wilted and small. So we can just spread in some sauce on the bottom of my Pyrex dish, and I'm just grabbing a tablespoon and stuffing the shells individually. It's okay that they're messy. It gives them character. Just stuff them on in there. Make sure you get a little bit of everything though. That's what I was just focusing on. Okay, then I take the remainder of the sauce and drizzle it over the stuffed shells. Y'all, I love these shells so much. They were so good. Ooh, they so good. Now I'm taking some more vegan Parmesan and sprinkling over top of the shells, and some additional vegan mozzarella. And then we're going to take the shells and we're going to bake them for 30 minutes in the oven.
And y'all, we're going to have the the stuffed shells with these garlic knots. I was reading the bag and it says may contain egg and milk, but when I'm reading the ingredients, I don't see any egg or milk. So I got these from I see butter flavor. No, I see margarine, but it's with soybean oil, palm oil, water, salt, mono, and glycerides. Yeah, but anyways, I didn't say they were the healthiest, but They seem to be vegan. So that's exciting. I literally did not know that. Got these from Aldi's.
This is after I've taken them out of the oven, y'all. They stay in the oven for 30 minutes at 350, like I mentioned earlier. And you see everything is melted and nice and combined, and it looks beautiful. It truly looks beautiful. And then I just serve it with a salad on the side. And like, to me, a serving is 3 to 4 shells. It just depends on how hungry you are. But I started off with 3 and then 2 garlic knots. And honey, that was a meal. That was a meal. I loved this dinner. It was so delicious. I hope y'all try it out. If you do, tag me on Instagram at risremedies and let me know what y'all think of this recipe. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.